She put some baking soda under eyes. The result is wonderful. Maybe it sounds unbelievable, but there are plenty of ingredients in your kitchen that apart from their cooking purposes can be used as beauty ingredients. Baking soda is one of these ingredients that can protect, nourish, and heal the skin of your face. For many years, baking soda has been used for its medicinal properties and treating many health issues. But, the truth is that this powerful ingredient is significantly beneficial for your hair, teeth, and skin as well. It acts as a natural exfoliate and can soothe skin irritations. Also, it works as a deodorant without aluminum and parabens. However, this all-purpose substance will do wonders for your skin. What is more, the best thing is that you can prepare a homemade mask for your skin type and need. Follow the instructions below and find out more. How to prepare the mask? The procedure is very easy and simple. You should mix 1½ tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of cool water in order to create a thick mixture. Apply the mixture on your face and let it act for 5–10 minutes. Afterwards, rinse with warm water and gently pat dry. If you have dry skin, make sure to keep the mask on for a shorter period because baking soda removes face oil. But, if you have oily skin, leave the mask on longer. Then, apply a moisturizer. Benefits of baking soda mask. Baking soda is very effective in the case of blackheads. It has the ability to prevent the infection that causes these blackheads and to loosen your skin, thus making them easier for removal. It can act as a natural antibiotic and cure many fungal infections responsible for the occurrence of acne and some other blemishes. Baking soda can eliminate the acne scars and speed up the healing process. Baking soda can relieve the pain from the skin toning. This mask possesses potent antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties and it is great for the pores. It can relieve the inflammation, open the pores and make your skin look great. Moreover, it can prevent the pores from clogging and help in absorbing the oil. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.